In this video, we will explore Pixel Face Swap in 2026 and look how the feature works, where it performs surprisingly well, where it can still look unnatural, and answer the big question, is it creepy good or creepy bad? Face swap technology has become one of the most talked about AI features because it allows creators to replace a face in an image while keeping the original pose, lighting, and composition. In Pixels, this feature is mainly used for YouTube thumbnails and content branding, helping creators place a consistent face across multiple designs. So here's how to do it. The process is fairly simple. You'll just need to upload a photo of the face you want to use and let the AI analyze both images, generate the swap result, and that's it. So based on available demonstrations and user feedback, Pixels performs best when the reference photo is clear and high resolution. The lighting matches the target thumbnail, the face is looking toward the camera, the expression is natural and not overly exaggerated. So in these situations, the swap face can surprisingly realistic, making it useful for creators who want consistent branding without taking new photos for every thumbnail. The feature can still struggle in certain cases. Unnatural eyes or facial proportions, lighting does not match the backgrounds, blurred edges around the face, odd expressions when the target image has a dramatic pose, and consistent results across multiple thumbnails. So one important lesson is that the quality of the reference photo matters more than the AI itself. Many poor face swaps happens because creators upload random selfies with different lighting, filters, or angles. A consistent set of high-quality reference photos usually produces much better results. So for YouTube creators, the biggest advantage is speed and branding consistency. So instead of scheduling new photo shoots, you can reuse a recognizable face across multiple thumbnails concepts. However, it is still a good idea to review your generated thumbnail manually before publishing. AI can recreate impressive results, but it can also produce occasionally uncanny looking images that may distract viewers. And that's it. That's how you evaluate Pixel Space in 2026. So whether it is creepy good or creepy bad. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.